Recently, the Southeast Asia Young Leaders Delegation visited Jingdezhen. Here's the thing, some of them actually come from places where pottery is a part of the local tradition.
One of province in Indonesia, West Kalimantan, Singkawang, they also have this kind of pottery factory, and I think it has like connection with the Chinese history here. That's why okay, I find something new about this. We in Indonesia also part of Belt and Road Initiative, and I think by knowing this history between two countries, it can enhance the people-to-people connection between our countries.
Over 2 days, they traveled from the ancient Jiangxi and traditional workshops in Taoyangli Historical and Cultural District to the modern Yishan Intelligent Manufacturing Workshop, experiencing Jingdezhen's porcelain craftsmanship from past to present.
It's truly an honor to witness all these workers focus on their craft. And in addition to that, it's very beautiful as well to witness how technology has been able to benefit certain industries, and perhaps this is a perfect example of an industry that's being benefited from the technology.
A short walk from the Intelligent Manufacturing Workshop brings them to Taoxichuan Cultural and Creative District, where young creators are now working in formal factory buildings. A little further out, in Shiziyuan, art has grown right into the village, side by side with everyday life, as if it's always been there.
I'm not too big of a fan of porcelain, because I didn't know a lot about it before. We see it as a tourist site on social media and everything, but when we're really meeting with the people and listening to the stories behind it, I think we really get more insights and details about the making of it and everything, and it gives us ideas as well about cultures back home, how we can preserve the traditional culture but also adapt it into more modern society.
I think by having these kind of exchanges will show the different side of the world that we have not seen before, and also by exchanging our beliefs and also what are the things that we do good in our respective country. I think that can also help to shape our worldview and greater understanding of the world and how different parts of the world function or work, and that how cultural importance are also placed in different parts of the world in nation building.
As the trip comes to an end, our friends from Southeast Asia live with fond memories, but something stays behind: conversations that matter and connections that last.
I will sum it up in one word: it's really amazing.